why I say it's hard to understand the gang stalking program, right? Based off of, take for example, if you're someone that is trying to get the sense of this program, trying to see like what is a target individual, what is gang stalking itself. There's stuff that target individual, like take for example, if you're watching target individuals on YouTube and they're telling you their life experience of being a target individual, there's stuff that these people cannot say just off rip. You know what I mean? So it's more to gang stalking than human words and human reason it can explain to a person. Take for an example, like just being a target individual, right? I just walked out to the store. But just me walking out to the store is gonna be exaggerated. It's not gonna be like the average person walking out to the store. I'm telling you that from lately, lately I've been seeing these weird stuff in the sky, and there's been a lot of people saying, "Look up." In a time like now when conspiracy is coming to light, one thing that people realize is that there's something that's definitely going on up in the sky, both at nighttime and at daytime. At daytime is when you can tell that there's something going on in the sky because there's like these chemtrails everywhere, and I explained to you guys that these chemtrails target individuals of the gang stalking program. I know people in third world countries that are saying that these chemtrails are targeting them and they're flying over their house and they're purposely writing X. So I feel as though that's some subliminal message hint they're trying to tell you. But I'm still trying to study that and figure out why they draw that X, because they did the same thing to me, and I just look past it. But yeah, so chemtrails that day and stuff like that, and also I explained that there's secret military aircraft that are target individuals. Why are there secret military? These are $1 million, $1 billion aircraft that are targeting average Joes, target individual of the gang stalking program. So something has to be going on, and that proves that there's some spiritual war that's going on that they're trying to hide, because it's only we that see these things. We're the only people who they synchronize these aircraft with. Not to mention at nighttime. I know you guys I know every target individual can relate. It's like you see this spotlight and it would seem like a star, but I mean we always know that it's not a star. Because if you look at the whole sky, if you look at the rest of the sky, you will see that there's either no stars or there's a few, and it just so happens to be a big one too, one big one that's blinking too. Sometimes it's even blinking. That's right there above you, so you know that it's there for you. But getting back on topic, I walked out to the store and I saw one of those spotlights. It wasn't even nighttime yet, but it's so strange because they're trying to target you by synchronizing these aircraft. But it's the most beautiful thing. I just saw a little light just beaming in the sky in the evening. It was sunset. It was the most beautiful. It was so beautiful that I'm wondering, like, I feel as though, and this is why I made a video explaining that some of these people that synchronize these planes aren't the evil bad powers that be, like the ones that are in those military helicopters and stuff like that. These people are flying Black Hawk military helicopters and secret military aircraft, some of which include the stealth bomber, an aircraft that looks similar to the stealth bomber. They're synchronizing these aircraft with target individuals. It's the craziest thing. There has to be something bigger going on than what we know. And they're going to do everything they can to try to distract the mass from that very fact. Definitely, there's something big going on. So it's up to all the highly spiritual people, chosen ones, target individuals, and alien abductees to do their homework and try to find out what's going on behind closed doors. But we know that part of it has to do with the NWO, and we don't want to see these people continue to change the world from what it once was. I told you that's how we lose more of the simpler times, the good old days, and that vibe that's here. I know every chosen one, highly spiritual person, we all know that vibe, that heavenly, good power vibe. We know that that's what they're trying to, take out of this world. And we're not gonna let it happen. Listen, I recommend you to do your homework and be one of those people that's trying to find out what exactly is going on and get to it. Fight against it.